Welcome to Stunt Lab. What we're going to do today is we are going to simulate a car hit using a wire where we have someone stepping out of a driveway that's shooting at the person in the car, and the person in the car will swerve and kill the person that's trying to shoot them. So we're going to try multiple different concepts. Mobile hard tie, selling the hit, and also covering it on camera. This is going to be a very technical shot because we're attempting to accomplish several different things at one time. We're going to build a truss structure on the back of a pickup truck that's mobile that we can build anywhere when there's no place to tie off to. When you're doing wire stunts, the key to wire stunts is having places to tie off to. So we're going to create a tie-off place on a truck, and the truck will be the hard tie. So then we're going to mount the ratchet on the hard tie so that we can move the whole stunt anywhere we need to. For instance, we could rig it on a parking lot and then move it out to the street. And so then we're going to block it, have the person come out and do the ratchet pull. So we're going to go hot. This time it's 300 psi. And when he steps on that pad, theoretically you're going. Okay? Ready?
And going hot?
Going hot?
Ratchet is hot.
And action. Okay. And action. Then we're going to try different camera angles. So we're going to test a new rigging platform. We're going to test the swerve and the car hit using, we're not actually going to hit the person, but we're going to use like a stunt punch where we break the string, this concept. And then we're going to shoot it on sticks. We're going to do a POV. We're going to put the camera in the car, and then we're going to put the camera running with the car in a tracking shot. And that's what the goal is today at Stunt Lab.